how to create Binance account password. Now, by creating Binance account password, what you essentially mean is now it's not about creating a password, because the password is already created whenever you create your account, right? So when you create a Binance account, it will ask you to verify your email and phone number, and it will ask you to create a password. And after you've created a password, only then you'll be able to log in. Now, let's say in another case you don't remember your password and you are trying to reset it. In that case, you have to simply tap on the reset password button on the login page and able to reset it. Now, if you're logged in and you don't remember your password, you want to find your password, you cannot see your password, but you can of course reset it. Tap on the Binance profile from the top left and you will see this option. Tap on your profile, and from here you can simply go to the security option there. Once you go to security, here you can see the option called password. Tap on the password option. Now all you have to do is you should be able to go ahead and then basically tap and enter a new password and verify the email, and then just tap on submit, and once done your password will be changed. So I hope this video pretty much helped to understand for you as to what you mean by creating your password. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.